Welcome to Time to Sign, where we believe that early childhood education is the foundation for a lifetime of learning. Our innovative program, Teaching Sign Language for the Early Childhood Environment, is designed to enhance communication, foster inclusivity, and create a fun learning experience for both children and educators. Our complete learning kit includes everything you need to start teaching sign language in your classroom. Inside, you'll find beautifully illustrated flashcards, engaging storybooks, and step-by-step activity guides. Each component is thoughtfully crafted to make learning sign language an enjoyable adventure for young children. Watch as your classroom comes alive with communication. Our learning kit helps children express themselves, build confidence, and develop essential social skills. Whether it's using signs for daily routines, expressing emotions, or learning new vocabulary, the possibilities are endless. But that's not all. Our program also includes access to an exclusive online portal, offering a wealth of additional learning resources. Explore a library of topical videos, informative ebooks, and interactive activities that complement the physical learning kit. Our online portal ensures that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Our topical videos cover a wide range of themes, making it easy to integrate sign language into any lesson plan. From animals and emotions to daily routines and beyond, our videos provide clear demonstrations and engaging content that keeps children excited about learning. Enhance your teaching experience with our collection of ebooks and interactive activities. These resources are perfect for individual or group learning, reinforcing the signs taught in the classroom and providing endless opportunities for practice and review.
Time to Sign has transformed the way I teach. My students are more engaged and confident in expressing themselves.
My child loves the sign language activities. It's amazing to see how quickly they're picking it up and using it at home.
Join the Time to Sign community today and give your early learners the gift of communication. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey with our Teaching Sign Language for the Early Childhood Environment program. Time to Sign, where learning is a sign of the times. Thank you for joining us. Remember, every child's ability to communicate is a step towards a brighter, more inclusive future. Goodbye and keep signing.